Sausages are a beloved part of American meals, but how do billions of tons make it from farm to table? This farming documentary takes you inside a colossal pork processing factory where millions of pigs are transformed into the sausages you enjoy. Each day, 20,000 pigs arrive at this high-tech facility, launching a process that powers an industry. It's a story of innovation, grit, and scale, and it all starts with the unsung heroes who keep this system running. Let's step into the processing factory to uncover what it takes to feed a nation. The heart of the processing factory is a whirlwind of precision and pressure. Machines slice pork at 1,000 cuts per minute, churning out 10 tons of meat every hour, while robotic systems grind and mix spices for that perfect sausage flavor. This farming documentary captures the intensity, with every stage adhering to strict FDA standards for safety and quality. But beyond the tech, it's the people who face the real challenge. Mike, a veteran factory worker. When a grinder jams, you've got seconds to fix it, or the whole line stalls, he shares, sweat on his brow. It's high pressure, but I know families depend on us. His story reveals the relentless pace of the processing factory, where every minute counts. The challenges extend beyond the factory walls. Sarah, a truck driver hauling pigs, navigates tight schedules and rough weather. One late delivery can throw off the entire factory, she says. It's not just driving, it's keeping the supply chain alive. Her experience, featured in this farming documentary, underscores the logistical hurdles that keep the processing factory humming. Meanwhile, advanced sensors detect flaws in milliseconds, and workers like Mike ensure 1,000 sausage links are stuffed per minute. From my view, this blend of human effort and automation is awe-inspiring, but it sparks a question. Does the push for efficiency overshadow the toll on workers? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share a story about a tough job you've tackled in the comments to keep this conversation going. As sausages roll off the cooking lines, the processing factory's efficiency takes center stage. Automated systems seal 100 packs per minute, producing 1 million sausages daily, ready for supermarkets across America. This farming documentary follows the journey to store shelves, where families pick up sausages for their next meal. But the final product owes much to workers like Elena, a packaging supervisor. 12-hour shifts are grueling, but knowing our sausages feed millions keeps me going, she says with a smile. Her pride, captured in this farming documentary, reflects the human spirit behind the machines. This industry is more than a processing factory. It's a lifeline for thousands of American jobs and countless meals. From Sarah's cross-country hauls to Mike's quick fixes and Elena's long shifts, these stories show the dedication that fuels this farming documentary. To me, the sausage industry is a marvel of scale, but it's not without trade-offs. The efficiency feeds millions, yet the demands on workers are immense. What's your take? How do you balance progress with the human cost? Drop a comment with your thoughts or suggest what farming documentary we should make next. Bacon, beef, or something else? Subscribe to join us for more stories from America's farms and factories, and let's keep exploring together.
GD Pork Company Limited, located in southern Queensland, GD Pork is known as one of the most efficient sow producers in Australia, with a capacity of more than 60,000 sows and an average productivity of 26 piglets per piglet year. This farm is famous for its method of raising pigs outdoors, applying natural grazing techniques. The outdoor barn system is designed to be spacious and airy, ensuring enough space for pigs to move, sunbathe, dig and express their natural behaviors. The barn is divided into many functional areas, serving each stage of growth and development of pigs, including the breeding area for sows and the area for raising piglets after weaning. The barn floor is designed with 2 layers: a closed layer to keep the pigs warm and an open layer connected to the drainage system to maintain a dry, clean environment. The barn doors are arranged to open to the outdoor area, allowing pigs to be regularly exposed to sunlight and have unlimited time outside, optimizing animal welfare and improving pig herd health. Before free-range farming, choosing a standard pig breed is very important. Advanced technology such as magnetic induction and image analysis helps evaluate the appearance and physiological index of pigs, select the best breeds, and improve productivity and meat quality. Selected pigs will be marked and vaccinated. During the raising process and before harvest, the farm uses modern equipment to control pig weight. Equipment such as the automatic marking machine and the WA21 portable scale make weighing pigs quick and easy. The scale has easy-to-move front wheels, an impact-resistant scale bar, anti-mouse cables, and dust and water-resistant weighing technology. This portable weighing system features a low height, guarded handle, and an adjustable target weight for color marking. Weighing pigs is done right at the walkway in front of the barn with simple and effective operations, ensuring visual weighing and marking. During the breeding process, farm staff need to regularly clean the barn to ensure a clean environment for pigs to grow. Workers will use supporting machinery. Excavator to remove raw waste from barns. High-pressure washer to remove waste remaining in the air holes. For adult pig barns, people have used cleaning robots to clean, reducing workers' effort and performing cleaning according to standard procedures. Here they use the raw feeding method, feeding pigs pure, unprocessed foods such as whole grains, vegetables, fruits, green grass.
Der Abendflora schon soweit quasi vorbereitet ist.
This method is said to bring many benefits to the health and quality of pork and helps improve meat quality, reduce production costs. Farm staff will divide the ration into small portions to optimize the amount of food given to the pigs and give the pigs time to chew and digest the food. Have you ever seen pigs eating fruit? Please share the video with your friends to see interesting moments in your journey at this pig farm. Pigs are typically raised on farms for 4 to 6 months, reaching a weight of 220 to 286 pounds before transportation to processing plants. During this time, safe, efficient, and humane transport is crucial for ensuring meat quality and consumer health. Specialized trucks are used, designed to provide ample space, ventilation, and drinking water for the pigs. Workers handle pigs gently, ensuring minimal stress during loading and unloading. There are two main methods for humanely handling pigs using electricity and CO2 gas. The first method involves using electricity, where pigs are placed into an electrical conduction system. When the electric current passes through their bodies, it induces anesthesia and causes a quick loss of consciousness.
Das Schwein merkt dann überhaupt nichts vom ganzen Schlachtprozess.
This method is considered highly effective as it operates swiftly, ensuring minimal pain and stress for the pigs. The second method involves using CO2 gas, where pigs are placed into a CO2 gas chamber. This gas causes a quick and painless anesthesia process, allowing pigs to lose consciousness smoothly and humanely. CO2 quickly affects the respiratory system, leading to unconsciousness without causing pain or fear. Both methods are designed to ensure maximum safety and comfort for the pigs during processing, adhering to humane and animal welfare standards. Let's delve into the technicalities of the pork grading process at a modern processing facility. Following sanitation procedures, the pigs are mechanically conveyed and suspended on rails for efficient handling in the division area. Each carcass is methodically marked with relevant data, such as production date, weight, and meat quality grade for tracking and inventory purposes. Highly trained technicians employ precision cutting tools to systematically partition the carcasses into anatomical sections, ensuring optimal utilization of meat and bone resources. The meat is subsequently portioned into standardized cuts, including legs, ribs, and pork belly, and then packaged according to weight specifications and market demands. Stringent measures are in place to maintain hygienic conditions throughout the process. Cutting equipment is meticulously maintained to prevent contamination and ensure clean separation of meat from bone. All operations are conducted within a temperature-controlled environment, typically below 41 deg, to preserve product freshness and extend shelf life. Once processed, The packaged products undergo quality assurance checks before being sealed, labeled and stored in refrigerated facilities. They are then dispatched for distribution via refrigerated transport to maintain product integrity and uphold quality standards until reaching the end consumer. Once the portioning stage is completed, the pork belly moves on to bacon production, a meticulous process that ensures a high-quality final product. Choosing pork belly cuts with an optimal fat-to-meat ratio is paramount to achieving outstanding results. Each piece of pork belly goes through meticulous trimming and shaping processes to achieve uniformity and consistent quality. The meat is then treated for preservation by soaking in a brine solution or dry rubbing with the correct mixture of salt, sugar and spices. This step both enhances the flavor and prolongs the preservation time of the meat. Using a tattoo machine equipped with a high-pressure water jet, the brine mixture or dry rub is penetrated deep into the flesh tissue, providing a rich flavor. Next, the seasoned meat is put into a smoking chamber using smoke created from hardwood sources such as applewood or cherrywood. The smoking process is meticulously controlled, maintaining temperatures typically between 200 and 275 degrees F for long periods of time. This slow smoking technique facilitates optimal smoke absorption while retaining the meat's moisture. After smoking, the bacon undergoes a compression process to achieve uniform thickness and size, facilitating subsequent slicing for packaging and immediate consumption. Thin slicing makes bacon convenient for culinary applications. In the choice of woods for meat smoking, applewood provides a delicately sweet and fruity aroma, while cherrywood provides a richer and slightly acidic flavor. The choice between these two distinct flavors ultimately comes down to personal preference and desired culinary outcome. we invite you to share your preference between applewood and cherrywood smoked bacon in the comments section below to enrich our discussion. Bacon, with its rich history and cultural significance, holds a special place in the culinary traditions of various societies. Legends from Norse mythology recount tales of the cunning god Loki, using bacon to entice the wild boar Fenrir, showcasing its allure even in ancient times. Across Europe, the consumption of bacon on New Year's Day is believed to usher in luck and prosperity, leading to the celebration of numerous bacon festivals annually. Beyond its cultural symbolism, bacon also offers notable nutritional benefits. Rich in protein, B vitamins, and essential minerals like phosphorus, selenium, zinc, and iron, it serves as a valuable dietary source. However, it is crucial to acknowledge its elevated levels of saturated fat and cholesterol, necessitating moderation in consumption for optimal health. The versatility of bacon extends beyond mere breakfast fare, as it can be prepared through various methods such as frying, grilling, or drying, lending its savory essence to an array of culinary creations. From enhancing salads and pasta dishes to adding depth to fried rice, bacon's distinctive flavor profile elevates countless recipes. When it comes to storage, bacon can be conveniently preserved in refrigeration or freezer units for extended periods, ensuring its availability whenever inspiration strikes in the kitchen. In essence, the journey from raw pork to savory bacon on the dining table encapsulates a timeless culinary tradition, blending history, nutrition, and gastronomic creativity. Should you wish to explore other aspects of food processing, we welcome your feedback in the comments section. Thank you for joining us on this culinary exploration with Trending Farm.
Coca-Cola, a global icon, was born in 1886 when pharmacist John Pemberton from Atlanta mixed the first batch. Originally, they were a cocaine-based drug called French wine of coca. To reach a wider market, Pemberton removed the alcohol, added sugar, and created Coca-Cola, a drink that could be sold at beverage counters. Coca-Cola's secret formula has been closely guarded for more than a century. In 1915, the distinctive contoured bottle was born, helping Coca-Cola stand out among its competitors. During World War I, Coca-Cola provided drinking water for soldiers, becoming an American cultural symbol. In the 20th century, Coca-Cola spread throughout the world, with modern polar bears and Santa Claus images associated with the brand. The brand has since introduced many flavors, appearing in music, movies, and enjoyed by astronauts in space. The red and white logo and advertising campaigns create a personal connection with consumers. Besides, Coca-Cola is also associated with sporting events and environmentally friendly packaging initiatives. During difficult times, Coca-Cola supported the community and became a cultural phenomenon with a lasting impact. If the historical story helps you better understand the birth journey of Coca-Cola, the next part of the video will help you better understand what is inside a bottle of Coca-Cola. Don't forget to share the video with your friends to spread this special information. Coca-Cola is created from a unique blend of carefully selected ingredients to deliver its signature taste. Key ingredients include high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, caffeine, and phosphoric acid. High fructose corn syrup, made from cornstarch, acts as a sweetener, while caramel color gives Coca-Cola its characteristic dark brown color. Caffeine has a stimulating effect, and phosphoric acid provides a slightly sour taste to balance the sweetness. The drink's flavor profile, a closely guarded secret, includes a blend of natural flavors such as vanilla, cinnamon, and citrus. Coca-Cola ensures consistent quality across all manufacturing sites by adhering to strict standards and testing the purity and quality of each batch of ingredients. Additionally, preservatives, stabilizers, and flavor enhancers are used to maintain the consistency and shelf life of the beverage. Coca-Cola's commitment to sourcing and blending the finest ingredients is what sets Coca-Cola apart from other beverages on the market. A special feature of Coca-Cola's business strategy is the construction of a completely closed production system, which impresses many other companies. Coca-Cola proactively builds plastic packaging factories to serve the packaging process. The production process begins by converting crude oil into polyethylene terephthalate PET through distillation. PET is made into small plastic pellets, then melted at about 115 degrees Celsius, formed into precursor shapes and blown into finished plastic bottles. These bottles are cooled, washed, labeled, and finally filled with Coca-Cola at the bottling plant. Coca-Cola also uses aluminum bottles, starting from recycling old aluminum into large aluminum rolls, then rolling them into aluminum sheets, cutting and stamping them into bottle shapes. The aluminum bottles are washed, printed with the Coca-Cola logo, and coated with a protective layer on the inside to prevent acids from the beverage from corroding the aluminum. Finally, the bottles are cooled, quality checked, and packaged. The process of filling Coca-Cola into bottles is controlled automatically to ensure each bottle has the correct amount of drink, with the bottle cap tightly closed to trap carbon dioxide and protect the product from dirt and bacteria. Carbonation is important in the production process of Coca-Cola. At the Marietta, Georgia bottling plant, the process begins by mixing vats of secret syrup with water. This mixture is then carbonated with CO2 to create the characteristic effervescent effect. The beverage is filled into bottles in the food factory at temperatures between 41 and 43 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid foaming and maintain stability. After a final inspection to ensure purity by food factory workers, the bottles are packaged and shipped. This meticulous and secret process preserves the distinctive and famous taste of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola maintains rigorous quality control and safety standards across all its global manufacturing plants, including in the US. A traceability system tracks raw materials and finished products to swiftly address any quality or safety issues. The production process is meticulously monitored with thorough inspections of finished products to ensure they meet all requirements. Factories are regularly cleaned and employees follow strict hygiene protocols. U.S. plants are certified by organizations like SQF and HACCP for quality and food safety. Additionally, Coca-Cola's packaging is recyclable, aligning with global environmental trends. With more than 1.9 billion drinks served every day, Coca-Cola is one of the largest beverage companies in the world. It started with a single product sold in pharmacies for 5 cents a glass. Currently, Coca-Cola Group owns a huge product portfolio with more than 4,300 products and 500 brands globally. However, according to data from Statista, Coca-Cola beverage consumption in the U.S. in the recent 5 years has tended to decrease slightly. Beverage consumption reached 41.8 million U.S. gallons in 2019 and will only be about 38.5 million U.S. gallons in 2023. In recent years, consumer tastes are gradually shifting to products that are lower in sugar and healthier. Therefore, Coca-Cola is also promoting the development of new product lines to meet this demand, such as Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, Vitamin Water, Dasani. In 2021, they launched Topo Chico Hard Seltzer for the first time. First company to market to enter the U.S. alcoholic beverage industry in nearly 4 decades. The company also invested in sports drinks with Body Armor and acquired Costa, a British coffee company. Although the pandemic caused many disruptions, in the first quarter of 2021, Coca-Cola reported a 5% increase in net sales to $9 billion. With an extensive distribution network and continuous innovation, Coca-Cola hopes to recover strongly from the pandemic, although still facing challenges such as tax disputes with the IRS and COVID upheavals 19. What do you think about these impressive numbers from the beverage company Coca-Cola? Leave comment number 1 if you are also a fan of this carbonated drink. If you find information about the Coca-Cola production process interesting, please like the video and share so more people can know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Thanks for watching.
What are the secrets behind raising animals, from modern technology to traditional methods? Come explore this hidden world and learn how farms shape the food we eat every day. AI technology is revolutionizing the animal processing industry in ways we never imagined. From optimizing production processes to improving product quality, AI is creating smart solutions to increase efficiency and reduce waste. But what really happens when this technology comes together with the food on our tables? Explore the mysterious world in this video.